everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of product design sketching. Grab your favorite drawing tools and let's have some creative fun. Now take a look at this thick graphite stick I am using. It's a game changer for me, allowing me to lay down broad strokes quickly. Notice how I am not just outlining, I am adding hints of lights and shadows to give our lamp some depth. This is not a standard procedure to draw the light and shadow before finishing the full rough drawing, but this is how I proceed. I'm drawing a little portion here and adding light and shadow, and then jumping into another section and adding light and shadow. But there is no hard and fast rule in drawing. I can remember neoclassical painters who liked to finish the head completely, then going to neck and paint them, rather than painting the full body part roughly and adding the second layer on it. So it's all about personal preferences. We are getting into nitty-gritty, the bottom part of our lamp. This is where the kerosene magic happens. There is a tiny opening for the oil and I'm quickly sketching in the essential details. Now watch as I start shading the tank to bring out those realistic textures. Now I am sketching the connecting pipe. It's a crucial part of our lantern's anatomy, linking the fuel tank to the upper section. So this is not a function or anything. This is the structural part of the lantern, and it just holds the upper part of the lantern to the bottom part of the lantern. So keep an eye on how I'm using the graphite stick to swiftly outline and define this integral component. Now our lantern is starting to take shape. Stay tuned as we move on to the inking and coloring phases. Don't forget to hit that like button if you are enjoying this creative ride. Okay friends, it's inking time. I have got my trusty Crockwell pen and some regular ink, the same kind I use in my everyday fountain pen. Now check this. I'm not tracing every single pencil line. Instead, I am adding another layer of ink to complement those pencil strokes. The idea here isn't to hide the pencil work, but to bring it to life, creating this cool harmony between the pencil and the ink. It's all about adding depth and character to our finished drawing. Let's dive in. Working with the croquis pen, I noticed something cool. It's like a rock on the paper. The nib stays put, giving me the solid control over my strokes. When I'm doing the cross-hatching things, all the lines stay nice and parallel. Marching along in a straight line, it's like having a little drawing superhero right in my hand. It's time to color now. I want to give it a dual tone color, just like the coloring used in old comics. I'm using a Staedtler color pencil, yellow for the flame and light part, and will be using dark blue color for the lantern frame. Hope it turns out well. Also, I realized that if I color the entire frame here, I could mess with the underlying drawing. So I am using the blue color here and there just to complement the ink lines, not to cover the entire drawing. And there you have it, folks. Our lantern has come to life, from a simple sketch to the fine inked details, and now a burst of vintage inspired color. I hope you enjoyed this creative journey with me. Remember, art is all about experimenting and finding joy in the process. If you had fun watching and drawing along, don't forget to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more artistic endeavors. This is Ritesh Lakra signing off.